What's up guys, today I have a tutorial all about these distressed faux locks. I'm starting off with my hair parting in these like medium style blocks, and they are little plaits, and then I started to twist them down. Because I know this style is time consuming, I did this the night before. And this is the hair that I'm using. I'm using the Lulutress Water Wave in 12 inches, and I have about 6 packs, and I'm using the color number 2 and the number 4, and also T1B 27 and just a regular 1B. On each twist I use 2 pieces. So the first piece I'm just going to take and just fluff it out nice. Then I'm taking my crochet hook and I'm pulling the hair through and pulling one side. And when I pull that one side, I'm going to make sure my length is even. Next, I'm going to take the other piece and start to wrap. I'm going to twist a couple times neatly tight at the top, and I'm going to start to wrap down, making sure your hair is nice and flat. That way it's covering up all of your natural hair that's out. But I'm just going to continue to wrap that all the way down till I get to the end. Once I get to my desired length, I'm just going to fold it and start to wrap backwards, well, upwards. I'm going to fold it at the end and start to wrap back up. Once I get to a point where my piece is small enough, I'm just going to create a knot and start to wrap at end and just palm roll it. Then I'm just going to take my second piece and split that in half and pretty much do the same thing. I'm going to feed in that piece, but this time I'm using both of the pieces to wrap around the lock. Just continue to wrap till you get to the bottom until you can't go anymore, and then start to wrap back up and also place that knot as well. going to add in my third piece and pretty much do the same thing. Doing them in layers, it just gives that more distressed look, and it also gives it a more natural look to me. And I continue this whole process throughout my entire head. I did run out of hair, so I did have to pick up a Freetress Water Wave 1B just to go with it. So in all, I used 7 packs. The great thing about these distressed locks, you don't have to stress about them being super neat. The messier they are, the more distressed they look, and it really looks really nice and cute. was going for more of a highlighted look, so I placed the TB 27 at the bottom and I mixed that in with the number 4, and it really gave a really natural highlighted lock. And I did the same thing with the 1B and the number 2. Y'all, this style took me entirely too long to do. I don't like really long process of style, so I don't know the next time that I will be doing this hairstyle, but I love how it turned out and I can't wait to do it again. And guys, make sure when you're wrapping the hair is flat and covering up your natural hair. I know some areas I got a little tired and lazy and I started to do more of like a 2-strand twist in some of the areas, and that's the reason why I held back on uploading this video. I wasn't even going to post it because I felt like the hairstyle was fair. It wasn't my best or it wasn't perfect, but this is my first time trying this style out, and overall I do like the outcome of it, and I got a lot of compliments. But I will continue to practice, and practice makes perfect. I'm sealing the locks with some mousse, and this is the complete look, guys. I love how these turned out. This is a great protective style, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you do comment down below and let me know if you're feeling these locks, and also like and also subscribe. If you aren't subscribed, make sure you go ahead and hit that bell as well. That way you're notified whenever I do upload a video, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.